The Elite CU Mini with 7-inch color touchscreen. Straight knife grinder for planer and chipper knife sharpening. The CU Mini 1200 has a 7-inch color touchscreen, which allows you to save programs, up to 20 programs. It has a programmable roughing cycle, finishing cycle, and spark out cycle, with total amounts of stock removal per pass removal or number of spark out passes, with various grinding speeds for each cycle. You can feed down on the left-hand side of the knife, on the right-hand side, or on both. You can also select when the machine stops. Does the machine stop with the grinding wheel in the down position or in the up position?